Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Akhtar. Now I am going to present a paper presentation whose name is Internet of Medical Things, a review of recent contribution dealing with cyber physical systems in medicine. Abstract. Presenting a detailed evaluations of recent contribution aimed at strengthening the Internet of Medical Things by utilizing formula approaches provided by the cyber physical systems community, describing the practical application of the democratization of medical devices for both patient and the healthcare providers, and also identify exploring research directions and potential trends to solve uncharted research problem. Sections introductions. Section 1. Chronic diseases are also increasingly pressuring this country's healthcare system. Major obstacles develop as a result of the rise in chronic disease and an aging population, since healthcare system must deal with a diverse range of diseases and treatments as well as an increasing number of patients. To meet all of these IOMT needs, they must be considered from the start of the design process. With the increasing complexity of computing systems, this can be accomplished by employing a set of approaches and design philosophy general employed for cyber physical system. That means the CPS. Next section is IOMT generalities. So in this section, they first introduce the main challenges of the IOMT. This and then design solutions providing partial solution to improve the safety, reliability, and security of the IOMT are discussed. Eventually, they introduce the CPS approaches in an IOMT context and they demonstrate it is a solution, a choice of challenges of the IOMT. There are few subsections, that is the challenges of the IOMT. What is that? That have some features. In these applications, digital systems, also called the cyber system, are controlling physical objects, resulting in a constant iterations between the digital and the physical world. There have some also features: reliability, robustness, and the security requirements, hybrid system, improvement of the testing procedures through simulations, verification, and the validation protocols. Subsection B, IOMT design. In order to efficiently solve the reliability, robustness, security, modeling, verification, and the validation challenges of IOMT, design methods have been described in the literature. A synthesis of the contributions dealing with each of the identified challenges in the IOMT. So for this case, there have some features: model-based development of the IOMT, robustness and security design concern, verification and the validation of IOMT. Third subsection, the CPS as a comprehensive solution for IOMT requirements. This methodology allows for the addressing of each medical system concern, from security to validation and verification, through a careful modeling of the system and elaborate design procedures. Next section is the CPS as a driver of the IOMT. A layer-by-layer approach based on review contributions was preferred to access the challenges and the prospect of the CPS in the context of IOMT. It was discovered this paper in this field topically focus on the devices layer and the framework layer or the service layer. Previous slides sections have some subsections. Number A CPS approach for IOMT devices. The attention was initially drawn to papers describe the design of the wearable IOMT devices using a cyber-physical approach. The definition of wearable devices used to identify these papers was kept identity board from the important medical devices, which are by definition invasive, to simple non-invasive wearable sensor. Number B, IOMT integrations. Framework for wearable devices. Their primary interest in the medical wearable IoT based systems, and their review focus on literature utilizing network architectures for the integration of medical devices into the IOMT. The same methodology as in the previous sections was used to identify papers of interest in these sections, and the results were displayed accordingly. Verification and validation were also discussed in the combination with the robustness and the security concern. Number C, IOMT service layer and exploring approaches. The final layer considered in this survey is the survey layer, which looks at IOMT from a service-oriented perspective. The quality of services, requirement, techniques, and models for each systems are the primary concern of the literature using the service-oriented approaches to design the IOMT. Composition is another critical aspect of the service-oriented approach. Another focus of a service-based IOMT is the deployment of approach middleware, which adds a level of abstraction to device control by proposing a generic interface for the connected objects. Finally, in an IOMT context, cloud computing was considered with the development of cloud and big data services for telehealth application. There was a date of contributions describing service-oriented IOMT for medical applications. The subsections, the sections, next section is research perspective and the directions. In this section, CPS covers a wide range of field of expertise, and they bring together research from the various backgrounds. For instance, for studies, an extension of service-oriented computing to IOMT-based system clouds result in interesting media-oriented application, improving the high-level abstractions for IOMT devices, and system cloud improve device integration reliability while also allowing for the creation of comprehensive and personalized medical solutions via service composition. From a medical standpoint, the IOMT represent an incredible field of opportunity for a wide range of applications, ranging from the early diagnosis of the chronic disease to the remote monitoring of at-risk patients to trigger an urgent medical responsible if deemed necessary. Finally, the last part is conclusion. So what's that? That have the field of the IOMT based system and IOMT devices was investigated from a multi-layer standpoint. They demonstrate that the CPS strategy improve not just system robustness, security, as well as the dependability, but also verification and validation. CPS is an acceptable design method for creating, implementing, testing, and deployment biomedical systems since these questions are critical when designing such as the systems. So thank you so much.